What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix a windshield chip in your car. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so this is the windshield repair kit we're going to be using. It is made by Permatex. I found the best deal on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But if not, you can get it at any local auto parts store for around $10 to $15. Just open it up and it comes with everything included. The first thing we're going to be doing is going ahead and using the alcohol pad. We'll come over to our chip, clean the area with some alcohol. Comes with this little push pin, and we're going to scratch out any of the chip. That's going to get all the loose glass out. Clean it again. Then we'll take the sticky pad it comes with and we will peel off one side just like so. Then we're going to stick it over the chip. Press it down, make sure the tab's up, and we'll peel off the other side. Stick this doohickey on there, lines up just over the hole. Make sure it's centered. You can check on the inside to make sure it's centered. Press it down, make sure it's all seated. You're also going to want to have your car in the shade for this. Then we'll take the little tube of resin, open that up. Alright, now we'll squeeze most of the resin down in this tube. There we go. Then we'll take the plunger, stick that in. Then we'll pull it all the way up till it locks into that second little notch. Now what that is going to do is that's going to pull air through the hole and get all the air out of the crack. We'll leave this for about 10 minutes. Alright, after 10 minutes we'll take the plunger out and then we will put it back in. And we're going to push it down and lock it into that top notch. And we're going to leave it here for 20 minutes. That's going to push the glue down into the crack. Alright, now after 20 minutes we can take this thing out and we can peel the whole thing off. We'll just get our razor blade and we can peel this thing off, wipe off any wet resin still. Alright, now we can go ahead and pull our car in the sun. We'll take the remaining resin and we'll put a dot right over the chips. I had a ton of chips and I went ahead and marked them all with masking tape, and I just put a little dot over each chip. And then there's a little curing strip it comes with we're just going to place on top of that. We'll leave it in the sun for a good half an hour. Alright, now after half an hour we can go ahead and peel that little UV strip off and it's done. Now you can't even really see the chip. Alright guys, and that's how to fix a windshield chip. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. Click the subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.